This was the last class. We discussed accounting equation, income, expense, and profit. Today, day 2 about the profit. Right? The last class we discussed about profit. And under profit, we learned profit equals income minus expense. The last class lesson I am discussing now. So profit equal income minus expense. Then we did some questions like these to calculate the profit by including the income and expenses. Okay. So today we are moving to the second day of the profit calculation and transaction. Assets equals equity plus liability. We know this equation. Long time we are discussing this equation, more than a month. Accounting equation, right? So my dear students, quickly send me the answer now. Cash balance come under asset or equity or liability. Come on, hurry up, hurry up. Cash balance come under asset or equity or liability. Come on, everyone, hurry up. Hurry up. Cash balance come under asset or equity or liability. Already we learned this. This is not the last week lesson. We learned this before 1 to 3 weeks. I need your quick response. Yeah. Come on. What happened? Okay, right. Cash balance come under asset. Very good. What about this? Furnitures. Come under asset or equity or liability. Come on, send your answers. Hurry up, my dear. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Come on, everyone. I need quick answers. Come on, my dear boys and girls. Okay. So it is an asset again. Very good. Furniture is an asset. Right. What about this? Come on. Very good. Very good. But some said liability. No, capital is equity. Capital is equity. What about this? Quick answers I need. Okay. Bank balance. Come on. Hurry up. At the same time, you have to write it down. Okay. Right. Bank balance. Some said asset, one said liability. I don't know what happened to him. Bank balance is an asset. Bank balance is an asset. I hope you all writing on your own. While you are typing the message answers, you also write answers in the book quickly. Asset, equity, liability. Come on, let's see. How do you find the answer for this one? Come on. Here we go. What is this? Hurry up, hurry up. Come on, boys. Come on, girls. Well done, well done. It is a liability. It is a liability. Creditors are liabilities. What about this? Bank loan. I need answer from everyone, not only few people. Come on, hurry up. Come on, some more, some more. Some more answers I'm expecting. Hurry up. Without proper exercise, we can't achieve anything in accounts. Come on. 4 more students to send. Bank loan. I don't know how it become equity. Huh? Bank loan is a liability. Bank loan is a liability. Bank loan is a liability. Next. Yes, drawings. Drawings. What wings? Drawings. Come on, hurry up. Drawings. Good, good, good. It is an equity. Well done. Drawings is an equity. Very good, very good. All the answers are correct. Everyone's answers are correct. Okay, so that's a small exercise to recover the knowledge what we discussed up to now. Cash balance, furniture, bank balance are asset, equity, capital, capital and drawings are equity, creditors and bank loans are liability, Okay. Now, can you write this equation with capital and drawings again? Already you have written. Again, write only this portion. Only this. What you see in the screen, can you write it quickly again? What you see in the screen, write it again. Once you finish writing, hands up. Already you wrote some asset, liability, equity. Leave that. Write this screen. What you see in the screen now again. I'm going to give you some new things in this. Quick, make it fast. Once you finish, raise your hand. Now, the accounting equation states assets equals equity plus liability. In this equation, furniture asset, vehicle asset, cash balance asset, bank balance asset, stocks are asset, furniture asset, capital equity, drawings equity, bank loan liability, creditors liability. Likewise, the new thing what we learned last class is profit. Suppose if they give you profit, we have no profit column in this. We don't have a profit column. We have only 3 columns: asset, equity, liability. So when you have 3 columns like this, if they give you profit, under which column you write the profit? Send your answers. Under which column you write the profit? Come on. No column. You have to write somewhere. You can't say no. Asset or equity or liability. Good. Good. Okay. Good. I am asking under these 3 columns, Puta. You can't put another column income. You have to record under asset or equity or liability. I'm asking one of these 3. Okay. Some says asset. 2 says equity. 3 says equity. Some says asset. Right. Listen carefully. Profit of a business belongs to the owner. Profit of a business belongs to the owner. The owner is the one investing money. So the owner is the one enjoys the profit. The owner is the one who investing the money. He is the one enjoying the profit. He is the one bearing the loss. So if owner is the one enjoying the profit, profit should be recorded under equity. Profit should be recorded under equity column. Profit should be recorded under equity column. You can write it down, okay? Under equity, you can write it down, profit. Why? The reason behind that, because owner enjoys the profit. He is the one who investing money. So he is the one enjoys the profit. That's what owner mean equity. Owner's portion is we call equity. So profit will be added to equity column. Profit will be added to equity column. Okay, next. What about loss? Which column you record, my dear? Come on. Loss comes. Where do you record? Under asset or equity or liability? Come on, come on. Boys and girls, more. Right. So if owner is the one who enjoys the profit, he has to bear the loss. Owner enjoys the profit and the owner should bear the loss. You can't say outsiders to enjoy the bear the loss. Say you got A in business and accounting studies. So you say I got business studies and accounts A pass because I studied. So if you fail, can you blame the teacher? No. For pass, if you are the reason, fail also you are the reason. You are the one who got the pass. You are the one reason for your fail. So study yourself. Understand? Therefore, loss should be recorded under equity itself. Because owner is the one investing money, enjoys the profit. So he has to bear the loss. He has to bear the loss. Therefore, loss also to be recorded under equity column. Profit, loss, both should be recorded under equity column. Anyone have doubt? Please ask. Feel free to ask doubt. Yes. Anyone have doubt? When owner invests money, he enjoys the profit, so he has to bear the loss. That's what profit and loss recorded under equity. Because equity means it is the portion of the owner. It is the share of the owner. Equity represents the owner. Whatever belongs to the owner should be recorded under equity. That's what the profit and loss recorded under equity column. Any doubt? No. Okay. What about income? Where do you record the income? Asset or equity or liability? Under these three columns. Income comes under equity. Incomes come under equity because profit, loss, income, same, right? All same connection, right? You forgot that. Some people forgot. Profit equal income minus expense. Therefore, income also coming under equity. It belongs to the profit. Likewise, if there is an expense that also recorded under equity column, expense also recorded under equity column. So under equity column, there can be 6 entries. You can note it down clearly. Capital, drawings, profit, loss, income, expense. All these are recorded under equity column. All these are recorded under equity column. Equity column. Capital, drawings, profit, loss, income, expense. All are recorded under equity column. Now we may have a question whether to add or deduct these items under equity column. We know whenever the capital comes, we add to the equity. Whenever there is a drawings, we deduct from the equity. Already we know that. So if you summarize these 6 items under equity, capital, profit, and income to be added to equity. That's what I show in the same color, yellow color. Capital, profit, and income. Whenever you get a capital or income or profit, it should be added to the capital equity. Sorry, it should be added to the equity. So drawings, loss and expense, what do you do? Add or deduct, my dear. Come on. Add or deduct. Capital, profit, income, we will add. Therefore, drawings, loss, and expense will be deducted from equity. Deducted from equity, right? Deducted from equity. Can you note it down, plus, minus? Better use 2 different color or else highlight the plus and minus. Plus highlight it, minus no need to highlight, or different colors we can use, whatever the technique. Make it attractive, make it easily visible. Can someone switch on the mic and tell me what and what you add to the equity? Come on. Someone switch on the
Capital, profit,
and
income.
very good. Can someone else tell me what are the 3 things we deduct from equity? Better girl. Can a girl tell me what and what will be deducted?
Drawings, loss, expense.
Well done, Sharuka. Drawings, loss, and expense. Well done, right? Drawings, loss, and expense, right? Okay. So, shall I write like this? Plus capital, plus income, plus profit, minus drawings, expense, loss. So it's in order, right? So can you write what you see in the screen again in a proper order what I wrote, the same order what I have written in the screen. Can you write it down, please? Now, there is a question. Can you please write the question quickly? Don't write the answer, or else don't write the question either. Start writing the answer. You are given 5 minutes time. Here we go. Your time starts now. Write only the answer. After writing the answer, raise your hand and you can write the question. Come on. Time up. Okay, let's see the answers. How many of you got correct? Record the following transactions in assets equal equity plus liability. So we write the equation assets equal equity plus liability. The equation asset equal equity plus liability. Record the following transaction. Okay, Rani invested 100,000 cash. Rani invested 100,000 cash to start the business. So 100,000 cash invested by Rani, and we know cash come under always asset. Always the cash come under asset 100,000 rupees. And whenever we do business, I told you clearly, we have to imagine that we are inside the business. You imagine you are inside the business. You are not the owner. You are inside the business. You are at the cashier point. You are at the accounts point. So when you are in the cashier point, owner investing money, we receive 100,000 rupees. We receive 100,000 rupees. Since it is invested by the owner, Rani is the owner because she is the one started the business. Since Rani is the owner, it come under equity 100,000 capital. Since it is brought by the owner, it increases the equity by 100. How many of you got correct for this? Send an A for me. Message me A. A correct. Both the entries plus minus detail everything correct. Send me an A. Good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Keep doing. Okay. Right. Almost all are correct. 200,000 borrowed from money. 200,000 borrowed from money. So 200,000 borrowed. Borrowed means it is a loan. It's a loan. We have to repay. So we call it liability. We call it liability. So when you borrow 200,000 money from money, when you borrow 200,000 money, sorry, 20,000 money from money, you receive cash. You receive cash. Therefore, it is 20,000 rupees you receive cash, right? Your cash increases by 20,000. And where else you record this plus 20,000? Can you send the answer? Where else you record this 20,000 borrowed from money? Come on. Yes, it is under liability because it is loan, borrowed. So liability increases by 20,000. Money loan, M loan, money loan. Very good. All of you got correct answer. Well done. Keep it up. Right? C. Rent received 15,000. Okay. Don't tell increase or decrease. Just tell me under which and which heading. There are two headings always we write, right? We write in two places, right? Every transaction has two effects, we know. You can't write only one effect, then you are wrong. You must write two effects. Number one, you see asset increase, equity increase. Number two, asset increase, liability increase. Likewise, rent received. Where are the two places you record? Two places, write in the same message. Ismail send one answer. Well done, Puta. Very good. Keep it up. What about others? Sharuka, very good, ma. Clear. Two answers I asked. Nazik, please send two answers. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Hamid, please send two answers. What and what heading? Asset. When you write asset. Aflal Zahrin, I am asking under asset equity liability, in which two equations which two heading we write this transaction? Hamid, which two headings I am asking? Asset or asset equity or asset liability or equity liability? That's what I'm asking. Okay, one says asset. Most of you all said asset and equity. The correct answer is, let's see, B, C, rent received. Rent received mean what did you receive? Tell me. Say you say I received rent. That you, what do you mean by that? What did you receive physically? Physically. Very good. No, Fahma. I'm asking physically. I bought a bread. Please listen carefully and send the answer. Some are sending unwanted message. Payable, receivable, debtor, creditor. I don't know why. Listen to me carefully. Listen to me carefully. You go to a bakery, buy a bread. So physically, you get a bread. You bought a bread. So physically, you bought a bread means physically you receive a bread. You go to a jewelry shop and buy jewelry. So physically you get jewels. You went to a shop and bought a shirt. So physically you receive a shirt. Likewise, rent received mean physically what did you receive? Come on. Money. Fahad Nasar, I am asking physically. Physically, what do you receive? Money, cash. You have 2 houses. You have rented out 1 house. So if you receive the rent received mean what do you receive from them? You receive money. Fahad Nasar, could you understand? Fahad sister? Yes. So it is cash. It is cash. Therefore, we record cash under asset 15,000. You receive money. Rent received mean you receive money. So your cash increases by 15. 15 cash increase. And you have received rent. Should you repay again? Yes or no? If you receive rent from your rented house, should you repay that rent to the people? No. 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 We don't want to repay. It is an income for us. It's not a liability. Liability means we receive money, but you have to pay back. Look at B, look at B, look at B. You receive 20,000 money, but it is borrowed. But it is borrowed. So borrowed means you have to pay. It is a liability. Borrowed means it is a liability. Now C, rent received. Everyone see the C. Rent received. You receive money, 15,000. You don't want to repay that money back. You don't want to repay the money. Therefore, rent received is an income. It's an income. So where do we record the income? Today I taught you. Under these 3 heading, asset, equity, liability, where do you record the income? Come on, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Come on, boys and girls. Here we go. Very good. So you can remember that, right? So since it is an income, it will be recorded under equity 15,000. Don't write income. You have to write rent received or else rent income, rent received, both same, no problem. Rent income 15,000 equity plus, income increases the equity. Income increases the equity. So rent received is an income. Therefore, it will be recorded under equity. It will be recorded under equity plus 15,000 rent received. Rent received. Any doubt? Could you understand? Send a message, yes or no. Could you understand? Come on. Good, good. Thank you, thank you. Thank you very much. Well done. Keep doing. Right. Let's come to the next question. D. Salary paid. Now tell me, salary paid means you pay salary to whom? To whom you pay the salary? To the owner, or to the building owner, or to whom you pay the salary? Salary to house owner. Please think a bit. Salary you pay to employees. You pay salary to whom? Employees, workers under you, employees under you. So when you pay salary physically, what do you give to the employee? Physically, what do you give to the employee? Do you give the cup? Do you give a table? Do you give, what do you give? Physically, what do you give? Money, 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 cash, cash, cash. So we are paying cash to the employee. We call it salary. So first entry come under asset 10,000 cash. We are paying salary. So our cash increase or decrease. We are paying salary. Our cash increase or decrease. Come on, come on. Increase or decrease? Decreases. Very good. We are paying salary. Careful. We are paying salary. So our cash, we pay cash, our cash decreases. And the salary paid mean, is it an asset or equity or liability or income or expense? What is that? Salary paid. What is that? Asset or equity or liability or income or expense? I think some people absent last week. They didn't go through the recording also. It's very dangerous, Buddha. You can't just say, Fahma. I am asking a question, very clear question. Please listen and answer. I think you are hurry in answering. Salary paid is an asset or equity or income or expense or liability. 5 options I gave. 5 options. Salary paid is an asset or equity or liability or income or expense. Salary paid is an expense. Very good. That's what we have to listen carefully, think a bit and answer it. Salary paid is an expense. Salary paid is an expense. Listen carefully. Salary paid is an expense. Do you have an expense column here? No. You have only 3 columns: asset, equity, liability, asset, equity, liability, liability, equity, asset. You don't have an expense column. You don't have income column. You have no profit column. Therefore, incomes and expenses are recorded under which column? Therefore, expenses are recorded under equity column. Equity column. So, salary paid is always expense. Salary paid is always expense. And remember, don't say equity, okay? You are wrong. Salary paid is always expense. Since there is no expense column in this, expenses can be deducted from, recorded under equity column. That's why expenses are recorded under equity column minus 10,000. Salary, you have noted down what? Salary. Don't write expense, okay? You can say salary expense, no problem. The word salary must be there. The word salary must be there. Salary must be there. So minus 10. How many of you got all A, B, C, D correct? Send me a message. Yeah, you can say salary paid, no problem, Fama. Salary paid, salary expense, no issue. All A, B, C, D correct. Send the letter. If A and B are correct, A, B, C correct mean A, B, C. All 4 correct mean A, B, C, D. Exactly correct. 100% correct, A, B, C, D. How many of you? Come on. Well done. Very good. Very good. Very good. Keep it up. Okay, A, B, C, correct. A, B, D, correct. A, B, C, D, 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 A, B, C, D. Well done, well done. Keep it up, keep it up. Okay, my dear boys and girls, my dear intelligent boys and girls, here we go. Next question. I'm going to give you only 5 minutes time. Within the time, you have to record the answers. Once you finish answering, hands up and start writing the question. Dear students, listen carefully. Do not write the question at first. Write the question at last after writing the answers. Okay? First, write the answers. Then raise your hand and start writing the question. You can save a lot of time. Okay, here we go. Only 5 minutes time given to write the answers. Are you ready? Send me a yes. If you are ready, send me a yes. Come on, come on. If everyone send yes, I will start. I will give the question, 5 minutes. Come on. Are you ready? Yes or no? Come on, hurry up. Hurry up. Are you ready? Yes. Here is the question. And here is your timing. Started. Go ahead. Time up. How many of you done? Nine people done. Well done. Well done. 10. One or two late. It's okay. Okay, let's come to the answers. Assets equal equity plus liability. Pani invested 80,000 furniture to start a business. Since it is furniture, it's coming under asset. 80,000 furniture. It is invested by the owner, so asset increases by 80. We are inside the business. We are receiving the furniture, so asset increases 80,000 furniture. And equity increases 80,000 capital. How many of you got correct? Send me A. Send me A. Send me A. Okay. Well done. Well done. Well done. Right. Okay. How many of you can tell answer for B? Raise your hand quickly. Aflal Zahrin. Yes, you are the first one who raised. Tell me, Aflal Zahrin, tell me the answer for B, Puta. Aflal Zahrin, switch on the mic and tell me the answer for B. Two answers I need. You have sent only one message. Abdul Rahman Zian, can you tell me? Switch on the mic and tell.
100,000 cash increases in assets and
Mhm.
100,000 cash increases in liability as bank loan.
Very good. Nazik Nalib.
Asset plus 100,000 cash, liability plus 100,000 bank loan.
Charuka. Charuka. Can you tell me the answer? Fahma, can you tell the answer? Good. One more. Fahma, one more answer. Asset increases 100,000 cash and liability increases 100,000 cash. Anyone? If you can't talk, please send a message. No problem. Okay? It's accepted. Very good. All the answers what you said, all of you are correct. Well done. So asset increases 100,000 cash and liability increases 100,000 bank loan. Bank loan. Rent paid 8,000. Rent paid 8,000. Yes. Who can tell me the answer? Hurry up. Wait. Raise your hand now. Who's first? Abdul Rahman Zian. Ismail. Ismail, can you tell me the answer? Ismail. Come on. Aflal in cash and rent paid. Okay, which heading it comes? Hamid, can you tell me? Hamid. Switch on the mic and tell. Hamid.
In asset minus 8,000 cash in
Under
asset.
Okay, one is okay. Other one? What happened? Abdul Rahman Zian. Yes, tell me.
Sir, minus 8,000 under equity
And
and minus 8,000 under asset.
very good, very good. Ismail, send the correct answer. Nazik Nalim, send the answer. Ismail, good. Fahma, very good. Aflal Zaharin, also very good. All the answers what you send are correct. Well done. C part, rent paid. Physically, we pay money. So cash come under asset minus we pay rent and it's an expense. Since there is no expense column, there is no expense column that can be recorded under equity. So equity minus 8,000 rent. You must write rent. The word rent must be there. You can say rent paid. You can say rent expense, no issue. But rent, the word rent must be there. Word rent must be there. If it is an income, definitely you must write the word received or income. Commission received, commission income, rent received, rent income, like that. Now this is a payment of rent. You can say rent expense, rent paid, or rent. You got it what I say? You got it what I say? If it is an expense, definitely the expense name must be there. If it is an income, the word received or income must be there. Right. Let's go to D part. D part. Can you all send the answer to me? Both in one message, okay? Both the answers in one message, please. Commission received 14,000. After Zaharin, check the detail. The second detail is wrong, I think. Check it again, check it again. Is it capital? Is it capital? All of you send the answers quickly. Come on, message me. No need to write bracket what you write asset increase, equity increase, all that's how we have to send the answer, okay? Just say asset and what increase. Good. Charuka, very good. Clear answer. Well done. Ismail, one answer is there. Abdul Rahman, Ziyad, very good. But what income you have to mention to the commission income or whatever it is. It's not drawings, Nazik. It's not drawings. It is not drawings. Careful. Right. Very good. Fahad, sister. Very good. I don't know your name. Well done. Fahma. Well done. Commission income. You have to write commission income. Right. So let's see the answer. D. Commission received mean you receive money. You receive cash, 14,000. So cash increases by 40. Likewise, commission received is an income, so it comes under equity. Listen everyone carefully. C, rent paid, you can say rent, you can say rent, you can say rent paid, you can say rent expense. Rent or rent expense or rent paid. All are correct. But for the commission received, you have to write commission received. If you say commission, you are wrong. And you can say commission income. That's also correct. But the word commission and received, or else commission and income, both must. Don't say commission. This you have to very clearly you have to understand. For the expense, my dear, C, you can say rent, no problem. Salary, no problem. But if it is an income, the D part, you can't write commission. Then it is wrong. So you can say commission received, or else better word is commission income. Commission income. So always practice in the same way. You can say always rent expense, salary expense, insurance expense like that, and commission income, rent income, dividend income, any income, that word must be there. The word income must be there with commission, along with commission. I hope you understand. Do you have any doubt? It increases the equity, right? Any doubt? Please ask before we wind up. No doubt. Please send a message. If you have doubt, please send a message. If you don't have a doubt, say no. No, sir. Anything? Good. Well done. Okay. Okay. I appreciate you. Parents, we see you next class. Bye. Take care. Never give up.